Arctic Cat builds the most powerful snowmobiles on Earth. But we can also be practical, which is why you'll find a whole lineup of engines ranging from 65 class horsepower on up to 177 plus. In order of horsepower, we begin with the 2000, followed by the 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, and 9000. Two of our newer engines are getting a lot of attention from the industry. After 4 years of development and rigorous testing, 2 racing seasons, and a year in production, the C-Tech 2, also known as the 6000, is being fully rolled out. After a tremendous introduction, it is now available across the ZR, XF, and Mountain lineups. Here's another engine you'll want to know more about. This is clean technology taken to the highest altitudes. The 7000, our C-Tech 4 engine introduced last year, defines the new standard of performance, efficiency, and reliability. When refined 4-stroke power is what you're looking for, this forward-thinking 1049cc triple ushers in a new era of quality and performance, along with a very enjoyable 135 class horsepower. The 5000 is the first 4-stroke designed specifically for snowmobiling. The 1056cc mill has been in the lineup long enough to achieve perfection. The price is low, the efficiency is high, and with 125 class horsepower, this engine is in good company among its prestigious brethren. The value-focused 565cc, 2-stroke, fan-cooled carbureted engine is powerful, durable, and efficient. Push-button reverse is a favorite in the utility segment. This engine is revered around the world for its simplicity and dependability, and the value can't be beat.